Hello, welcome to 500 Leicester Road. This is unit number 9. Let's go check it out. So on the main level, we've got kitchen, we've got living room, dining room, and also a half bathroom, which is conveniently located right behind you there. And as you will go check out the kitchen, so you can see lots of counter space, extra windows, extra bright unit, lots of storage here. And it also comes with the 2 off-street parking spots in a carport, so they're nicely covered. There's a dining room. We got nice size living room with access onto the backyard with extra storage. There's a nice big shed, and you can also do gardening along the side here. Let's go check out the upstairs. Here we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This is one of the bedrooms with access onto the deck, and this is the main bathroom here, and a laundry which also leads onto this deck. There's a lot of snow now, so let's go look at the rest. And this one is set up as an office, but it could be also a bedroom. It has a closet and a window. Let's go check out the master. So this is the master bedroom. Very nice, big, spacious room with the walk-in closet right here, and an ensuite. Overall, we've got over 2,000 square feet. So let's go check out the downstairs. It's a nice gym, so stay with us. Here, this could be set up as a den, little office, or extra storage. They use it for a little exercise room and a little gym, so you can get back into the shade. All here, lots of room. It could be the 4th bedroom here. You got a nice window, 2 closets here, and lots of storage right over there. So look at this. If you want to get more information, just give us a call or come check out the open house. We are here today and tomorrow until 3 p.m. from 1 till 3. And if you want to get more info, just give me a call at 778-392-8090.